Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to zero iron sights on an air rifle. First, secure your air rifle firmly in a stable shooting rest. This stability is crucial for consistent shot placement. Next, set up your target at a consistent distance, typically between 10 and 25 yards. Good lighting and a clear backdrop will help you see your shots clearly. Once your setup is ready, fire a 3-shot group at your target. Observe where the pellets land horizontally relative to the bullseye. If your shots are consistently to the left, move your rear sight to the right. If they are to the right, move the rear sight to the left. Make small, deliberate adjustments. After addressing windage, focus on elevation. Examine your shot group for vertical deviation. If your shots are hitting too low, adjust the rear sight upwards to raise the point of impact. Conversely, if your shots are too high, move the rear sight downwards. Again, make only small, controlled adjustments. Zeroing is an iterative process. Continue to fire 3-shot groups and make small, precise adjustments to both windage and elevation until your shots consistently hit the bullseye. Take your time and be patient. Once you achieve consistent groups in the center, your iron sights are successfully zeroed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.